So we've been talking about process closure for a couple of years now since the ISP baseline guideline came out on biopharmaceutical manufacturing facilities. And so the industry right now has been saying, okay, there are advantages to closed processing, and we've defined that really well in terms of what closed processing is and what it represents. And we've also been talking about how that impacts our facility to design and our approaches or strategies for drug manufacturing. So the question mark now is, so how do we actually close the process? So some of the opportunities that the industry have gotten together on through the Biopharm Operations Group, or better known as BPOG. So that group has gotten together and has formulated a series of experiments in terms of how to close a process and how to define it even more carefully. So what we're doing is we're doing a series of studies on how to clean and sanitize basic unit operations that we've been doing or performing for years. As an example, so we did a CIP clearance study approximately 2-3 years ago through the ASM EBP. And there we were able to show the industry that the design of equipment is extremely important in our ability to clean that equipment. The BPOG took that a step further and has provided opportunities or ways of showing that not only can we clean a system or desoil it, but now we can also remove bioburden from our operations in a way that's almost as efficient as a steaming or sanitization or gamma radiation is in single-use systems. And what we were able to show last year was we were able to get anywhere from a 3 to 6 log reduction of bioburden in some of these systems that we can now call closed or isolated from the environment. Now we're taking it a step further and saying, can we do even better in terms of some of the existing designs that are out there? And so we're using new technologies such as VHP, which has been used in isolation technology, ozone technology in terms of finding a way to sanitize systems that have been assembled now are going to be used in a otherwise ballroom or non-classified environment, and able to show that we can isolate it not only from a particulate standpoint with the flushing systems, but also from a bioburden control standpoint by removing all bioburden that may have landed into our product contact surfaces during that operation. So now we're able to fully perform a bioprocess in virtually any environment without fear of any environmental contaminants.